Toastmaster. It's get friended, not be friended. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and most welcome guests. Today, I will share with you a little bit about multitasking. Is multitasking a myth? Or can it really be done? Let me share with you a little snippet of my life. Today, Wednesday afternoon, it's 5 o'clock, and I need to write a speech for Toastmasters tonight. Okay, I need to write a speech. I just have to get a cappuccino, so I'm just gonna go to Starbucks and buy my cappuccino because I have to get going, okay? Buying my cappuccino, going back to my desk. Okay, here we go. Where was I? Yes. Starting to prepare a speech. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna speak about, so maybe I should just email Heather and tell her that I'm completely gonna bail and I'm really, really sorry, but I can't do it because I have too many projects. Okay, I'm just gonna go to my email and I'm going to check my emails and also email Heather that I cannot make it for today. I'm really, really sorry. Oh my gosh, I can't do it because being a Toastmaster is so difficult. You know, being in this stage, trying to manage so many people, so many roles at the same time, you have to help the Toastmasters. So my Jewish guilt kicked in, and so I said to myself, I have to help Heather, I have to help myself, I need to do this speech. Okay, where was I? Yes, making a speech. Oh, look at that, I've got 50 new emails. Oh, I've got 20 in Yahoo, another 20 in Gmail, and another 10 in Hotmail. Oh, look at that. Oh, I better check on my French date on Facebook and see what he's all about. So I'm gonna go to my Facebook. Oh, look at that, I've got a message from my girlfriend. She wants to go out on Friday. I better call her just in case she's gonna make other plans because I really want to go out and dance on Friday. Okay, picking up the phone. Hello, Alida. Oh, hi, how's it going? Yeah, everything is good. Yeah, I'm trying to write a speech. Yeah, I know, it's a drag. I don't even know what I'm gonna write about. I think I'm gonna write about multitasking, but I don't even know what that is. So, yeah, okay, see you Friday. Okay, bye. Okay. Going back to my desk. Yes, I have to write this speech. What am I going to write about? I don't really know. Let me see. Maybe I should just do an online research on Google and see what specialists are telling about multitasking. Okay, I'm going to Google multitasking. Oh, look at that icon in Google. It's so cute. What does that mean? Oh, I think it's an artist. Okay, I think it's somebody's birthday today. Okay, multitasking. So I'm just going to read some articles. Experts say that multitasking is a myth. You can't do more than 2 things at the same time and really do it well. You have to really focus, get organized, and then perform the task. Which to me doesn't make any sense. I mean, there's so many things to do. There's only 24 hours a day, although I vote for 48. Why not multitask and do many, many things at the same time? Okay, I have to write my speech. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm gonna write about. Okay, oh, got a phone call. Hello, oh, Roger, yes, tomorrow, yes, we're going to meet tomorrow and talk about the marketing plan for the investor. Yes, of course, I'm totally gonna get on it, yes, not a problem, yeah, I have to write this speech. I don't even know what I'm gonna write about. Okay, going back to my desk, yes. Writing about multitasking. What does that mean for me? Oh, I have to go to the bathroom. Okay, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Looking at the mirror. God, it's been 5 days since I've been to the gym. I should really make a point of going. Maybe I'll just go tomorrow because today there's Toastmasters and I promised to deliver this speech and I don't even know what I'm going to write about. I think it's about multitasking, but I always get distracted. I don't know how this happens to me, I'm just gonna start and write my speech. Dear fellow Toastmasters and honorable guests, my BlackBerry's blinking at me. Oh my gosh! I'm checking my BlackBerry and I've got all these messages. Oh, look at that! Somebody just tweeted about get friended. You have to tweet back. I mean, these are the social media rules, right? You can't just have somebody tweet about you and not tweet back. So I have to retweet what they're saying and then also follow up in a direct message on Twitter. So here I'm tweeting back. Oh yes, get friended is awesome. Please join us at the booth in the Calgary conference next Saturday. Okay. Back to my desk. I really have to finish this speech and I don't know what I'm going to talk about. I think what I'm going to talk about is multitasking and I'm just going to share a snippet of my life and ask the question, is multitasking a myth or not? Well, to be completely honest with you right now, I don't think it's a myth. I think that you can be organized enough to focus on one thing at a time. And if you have a short attention span like I do, I don't know if you noticed that, being a wacko from being multitasker, what you can do is you can focus on one task, and if for some reason something is, stopping you from progressing, if for example you encounter some sort of a roadblock, always have other tasks in hand so you can switch. So really, what I do is I don't really multitask because that doesn't exist. What I do is I switch from one task to another. Oh, I haven't gotten a reply to my email, so I better check my Twitter account. I better update my profile and get friended. And then that way, I get all of those things done.